I'm back for another product review. I'm reviewing another household product that you might like and you might want to get. So definitely, if you find this video informative and if you want to get this product, I've got the link below in the description. Let's get into it. So I'm back again, and you know when I have this in my hand, the best grandpa ever knife, that means it's time for another unboxing. And today's unboxing, we have the Ring alarm system. Yes, you've heard of the Ring doorbell. This is the same company that has the Ring doorbell, but now they have branched out to a complete alarm system for your home or your apartment. So we've got the Ring alarm system, the main base here. We've got an indoor cam, and I ordered from Best Buy actually, and they gave a free gift. If you order from Best Buy right now, you get the Echo Show little tablet, 5.5 screen, that basically you can control your alarm system and get on the internet, Amazon, all that good stuff. So basically you get that for free. That's like a $90 value right there you get for free from ordering for Best Buy. I don't know how long that sale is going to last, but you definitely you want to take advantage of it while you can. But I'm pretty sure it's still early, so there's going to be a lot of deals going on throughout there. So let's get this unboxing started.
Did I leave the truck open all night?
As soon as the light comes on, he takes off.
Hey there, I'm Crystal with Ring. Up next in Neighborhood Stories, from motorcycles to cars, how Ring cams can help protect more than just your home. These guys don't hang around long, thanks to Kevin's Spotlight Cam linked with his Echo Dot that sounded off. Kevin was at work, got a Ring alert, and was grateful no one got into his garage where he keeps his motorcycles.
The police officer even said when he got here that the Ring, it did its job. I felt very safe, and it was a big sigh of relief once I seen them run off.
The floodlight cam turned on and sent a stranger approaching Devin's truck on his way. That's exactly what Devin was hoping for when he installed his Ring cam after hearing about recent break-ins.
I'll never sleep the same without having Ring. I don't know how I slept before. It's such a burden off of my shoulders. I can sleep with peace of mind.
Now to incredible video. That's not a person, but a bear on its back legs trying to open the locked doors. It eventually gave up on the car, but not the mission, and moved over to the truck to try its luck. Voila, the door popped open and the bear hopped in. Hours later, Dennis was going through his video recordings and wondered how his truck door got open.
I started looking back at the timeline and saw what happened, and then immediately went outside to see what my truck interior looked like. It didn't do any damage other than a few dirty marks where his paws were.
Now Dennis double checks those locks before he goes inside his cabin. If you have videos you'd like to share with us, send them to stories@ring.com.
Hey!
Luckily, it was enough of a deterrent for him to walk away.
Hey there, I'm Crystal with Ring. Up next in Neighborhood Stories, see how our Ring neighbor used the floodlight cam to protect his workplace while he was away. That box caught her eye. She went to have a look inside and around the business. The manager, John, was at home, got a Ring alert, and saw a stranger on the live view. He sounded the siren on his floodlight cam, sending a very loud and clear message.
It's extremely valuable for my business because it allows me to have a second set of eyes when I can't be on site, particularly in the middle of the night when nobody's there, to protect the outside.
Chris noticed his wood pile disappearing and put up a floodlight cam to see why. A few days later, he got answers when he saw a stranger taking the wood. Chris was 100 miles away and used a two-way talk.
Hey!
I bought the Ring device for its intended purpose. It worked out 100 miles away, just like intended. It was amazing.
The cover of darkness disappeared thanks to Jonathan's floodlight cam. The stranger covered his hand with his shirt, grabbed the car door, and walked away after the lights came on.
Afterwards, I was telling my wife, man, that investment just paid off on that Ring cam.
And Jonathan also shared his video on the Neighbors app with his community, reminding them to lock their car doors. If you have videos you'd like to share with us, send them to stories@ring.com.
Hi there. What, you're going so soon? At Ring, we reinvented the doorbell, and now we're reinventing home security with Ring Alarm. Protecting the things that matter most is simpler than ever. Here's how. Make it yours. Every home is different. Every family's unique. So choose the Ring alarm that fits your needs. Go small, go medium, go big. Whoever you are, wherever you live, there's a Ring alarm for you.
Even me?
Sure, if you've got Wi-Fi.
I do.
And install it yourself. He can do it. She can do it. They can sort of do it.
Higher. Perfect. Ooh, it needs to go over here, actually.
And it's just as easy to take down and pack up.
So I can take it with me when I move?
It's all yours, with absolutely no contracts or long-term commitments.
Yeah, commitment's not really my thing.
It's all on your phone. The Ring app puts your Ring alarm and all your Ring cameras seamlessly into one place. Monitor everything no matter where you are.
Excuse me one moment.
See your stuff from here.
Excuse me. Yeah, can you please put that down?
Check in on the house from here.
Dude, did you leave the door open?
And lock your door from here.
I can do that?
Yep.
Cool.
It's more than just security. Ring alarm doesn't just keep your home safe from this guy. It keeps it safe from flood, freeze, and fire. There's even a panic button, just in case of catastrophes. Right, okay, moving on. It's smart. Like if your hands are full, just tell Alexa smart.
Alexa, arm Ring away.
Ring is armed in away mode.
Or if your alarm is triggered, your lights and camera turn on smart. Or you can tell this guy he's not so smart.
Not so smart, dude.
Sorry, I'll be a better person!
And if you're not by your phone, this guy will send these guys to the rescue smart.
Hey.
Hey.
So you can relax knowing that you've got Ring Alarm. The simplest, most affordable, home protecting, crime deterring, smoke detecting, flood sensing, frozen pipe alerting, family rescuing, peace of mind giving, Alexa integrating, JD Power award winning security system that we've ever invented.